Hey, what's up? So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Snap camera, use it on your laptop. Um, and let's just get started right away. So the first thing you're going to do is go on the internet, obviously. And you're going to go here, snapcamera.snapchat.com. Once you're there, you can click download. And it tells you the system requirements, all that good stuff. And you got to agree, all that good stuff. Now, you got to download it. I'm not going to agree to any of this crap because I already did it, but you would have to put in an email, like whatever, at msn.com. And then I'm not a robot. And then you get an option to download for Mac or download for PC. So depending on what you have, you're going to get the one for Mac or PC. Install it. Once you install it, simply open it up. And I got it here at the bottom. So I'm going to open that up. And it tells you welcome Snap Camera. We're going to click next. And we're going to click finish. Now my laptop is a little slow, man. I just restarted it. I don't know what's going on. I have like 4,000 things on here, so that's probably why. But as you can see, it's taking a goddamn minute. Okay. So as you can see, it took forever to do that. Now, I have a camera, right? I have a sticker over the camera on the laptop, so that's why it looks like that at the top here. But I do have a camera set up at USB, so I'm going to click settings here and go and choose camera, and I'm going to pick the USB live camera. Now, if I go back, boom, there's my ugly mug. This is where we are. So that's how you get the Snap camera. Now you can simply pick like lenses here. And it might take a minute depending on the lens. Try or use hotkey. I don't know what that means. So these lenses are being kind of doo-doo. Okay, that one works. Some of them don't seem to work, or they're just taking forever to load. But as you can see, you can get lenses like that. You can also go here and search lenses, I guess, but I don't know how to do all of that. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do in here. That's basically how you get it on your laptop, how to do it. Keep in mind, depending on your laptop and what you're running on, it might go a little slow, right? So some lenses are going to be smoother than others, right? So that's how you get it. Now, that's pretty much it. And I'm going to make another video right now, actually, after this one, how to integrate this into OBS Studio so you can use it in there while you stream and stuff. But before we do that, it says go live or video chat with this lens. So if you click show me how, reopen your favorite webcam app. Yeah, okay, so you can do it like OBS and all that stuff, right? So that's what we're going to do in the next video. Just wanted to show you guys how to get it, install it. It's super easy, super simple. And that's it. So let me get to the next video.